On the package, you will have the main kiosk screen, together with a power cable and adapter. The tabletop stand for the same will come separately on its own box. Simply follow the steps demonstrated to connect the same. Underneath the kiosk screen, you'll see the available ports. Start by connecting the power cable on the far right port. Once connected, simply slot the kiosk in the tabletop stand's mount and press the power button on the right back side of the screen to turn it on. Once turned on, press settings on the top right and then network settings, turn on and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you'll be redirected to the kiosk app. To log in, simply insert your registered mobile number and press continue. A one-time PIN will be sent to your mobile phone. Once you have inserted the PIN on the screen, you will be logged into your account and ready for orders. The kiosk can also be mounted on a floor stand. Both the floor pad and stand will be separate on their own boxes. Once unboxed, follow the steps on the screen to have everything connected properly. Once all is attached, simply route the power cable through the empty raceway in the stand and slot the kiosk into the mount of the floor stand. And with that, the setup will be complete and the kiosk will be ready for use.